Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies. You know, being ridiculously good looking means that sometimes you can get mistaken for a celebrity. Which brings me to today's video. If you build Revell model cars, you may have noticed that some of the box art has very familiar looking people. So today we're going to play a game. Guess the celebrity on the Revell box art. I'm going to pick a few boxes, give you 10 seconds to guess, and then when the video is over, you can let us know in the comments section how you did. Alright, let's play. Alright, here is box number 1. Here's a few hints. He's a second generation actor, and he's gone crazy. It's Charlie Sheen. Now on to box number 2. This actor's been in the business for over 50 years, and he starred in one of the worst movies ever, being Jaws: The Revenge. It's Michael Caine. For this next entry, it'll be a 2-for-1. They are both British actors, and they have both starred in James Bond movies. It's Sean Bean and Diana Rigg. And I've saved the easiest one for last. He overcame his demons to become an A-lister, and he famously plays a genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist. It's Robert Downey Jr. In conclusion, I hope this video killed a good 3 minutes off of your day. And please let us know in the comments how you did. Did you get a perfect 4 out of 4? And don't cheat. Well, no. Anyway, thanks for watching, and feel free to purchase some of those aforementioned Revell car kits at Sunward Hobbies, in-store, or online. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on our socials, and until the next one, adios.